To the right, 2, 3, 4, left. And we are on our way to dancing the Hawaiian hula.
We tried to make it out there as fast as we could. We got the goggles. She didn't even have hers. But luckily, Zayana had hers. Ooh. So we used Zayana.
What happened? Did you?
Just water.
You got excited?
I got so excited. We're here at Luau. Welcome, everyone. Aloha.
Aloha. Mahalo. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. We are here starting our day off in Lahaina, where actually last year we stayed in Lahaina and we are back. And one thing I made sure, because we are back in the area, is that we are gonna eat, baby. Hold on, we're waiting for our malasadas. So I made sure, because I knew exactly where we were, I made sure to check if the malasada stand that we went to last year was open, and they are. So I'm about to grab a dozen because they are so good, and we are about to feast on that while we go to the Black Sand Beach, also in Lahaina here. So we're outside a Maui pineapple store, and you can kind of see the pineapples behind me. And I was just overhearing this, you know, these Segway tours, this guide talking, and they stopped right in front of the store, and they were saying, well, you know, most of the time pineapples are 80% acid, 20% sweet, whereas the pineapples that are sold here and used for their ice cream or gelato, I'm not sure what they serve yet because I haven't been inside, but they said that whatever they serve is 80% sweet, 20% acid, so that's what makes them different. So I'm gonna try this. So what they sell is actually something similar to Dole Whip. What do you think, Gretchen? Is it better?
I think it's better.
Uh-oh.
It's much fresher.
Uh-oh, Dole Whip. It's a lot sweeter.
Yeah, it's more
It's true,
natural.
the guy wasn't lying. Yet another Foodland stop. We picked up some spam musubis this time, something different, and it's more poke, of course. So if you guys watched our last trip to Maui last year, you will see us jumping off of a big rock. I am gonna try and get some footage of me jumping off from the drone, but let's see what happens. But look at that! Oh God! I don't know if you saw that or could see that, but they're just jumping off from all the way back there. Recording! Yeah! One! Whoa! Sakachan's leg! Woohoo! Woohoo! Recording! Yeah! Good time! He's alive! So it literally took me maybe like 5 minutes to get up here. And it's crazy because you have to get on where the tide is up enough for you to grab onto the rock. But it took me a good like 4 to 5 times or more. But I'm gonna try and record myself jump off now. Let's see how this goes. I even have a crowd below me cheering for me. Woo! Look down! Woo! Okay, go ahead. Okay. Woo! All right. Ready, set, go!
Yeah! Woo! Brandon's the man! We tried to make it out there as fast as we could. We got the goggles. She didn't even have hers. But luckily, Zayana had hers. Ooh. So we used Zayana's goggles. Give it up for Brandon. Drop a huge like for Brandon. Subscribe if you guys are new. Woohoo! See you in the vlog.
We made it to the luau. What is it called? I don't.
Te'ao Moana.
Te'ao Moana. Okay, Te'ao Moana. So if you haven't been to a luau before, it's basically a dinner and a show. So right now we're lined up. Oh, looks like there's some vendors you could get some stuff from, and we're about to get laid. We're gonna take a picture, and I believe there's an open bar. It's a buffet, so it's a feast. Zay luckily watched Lilo and Stitch right before we left, so when I told her where we're going, I said it's just like Lilo and Stitch. So she is excited. Like in the car, she would not nap even though she was about to fall asleep, because she's like, Mommy, I'm going to a party. So we're partying tonight.
Let's do a turtle. All right. You say mahalo. All right. Even me too. Thank you. Nikki, how does it feel? You just got laid in public. Aloha!
This emo ceremony here today at the Wainea Beach Resort. We welcome all of you to join us at the emo. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what you're witnessing right now is one of the ways that we prepare our food in the day of Hawaii Hawaii. The emu. Earlier today, we began our a huge pile, we lit it up and let it burn.
Babe, you got a tattoo? And it's, you know, it's a turtle, right? You know what turtles are called in Hawaiian language? A honu. Can you say honu? Nope. But it looks amazing. You like the way it looks?
Badly. This is the last table. This is the last.
Dance, Leah, dance.